So your 3.5mm jack mic or your external mic doesn't connect with your Mac, iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and at the end of the video I will also let you know an easy hack with which you can make your life so much easier. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel. I share videos on productivity and hacks, and here I'm today with another productivity hack, the problem that I faced, and I believe there are many who has similar problems. So your 3.5mm jack mic or your external mic doesn't connect with your Mac, iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. Did loads of troubleshooting, reading Google and YouTube, but the success was way far. However, the name of the game is R&D, research and development. I kept doing it and eventually I did find it by getting a TRRS splitter jack. Let me just show you in a second in the system that how does it work and how the Mac is recognizing the external mic, which will make your life so much easy if you're a voiceover artist or making something with sound or a music artist. Alright, onto the screen, go to the system preferences, to the sound, and then we want to check if our external mic has connected. This is my normal mic with the TRRS jack, and unfortunately the Mac is not recognizing the mic here. It is still saying internal microphone. Let me try the TRRS one now and let us see if it gets connected with it. And here is the TRRS one. Here you go, and let us try. Let me connect with the mic here, and let us put in this TRRS jack. Alright, and Eureka, see, the external mic has come. The sound that everyone loves. Only one sound that everyone loves. Perfect. That's how you make it. Usually TRRS jacks are used in almost all the new phones, all the new gadgets that you find today, like the Apple headsets, the Android phones, all uses TRRS. It uses both your earphone and your mic. However, if you're trying to build something professional, those mics would not help you. The TRRS comes with CTIA port, which is completely compatible with Mac and iMac. One thing that I've noticed is the same combination could be used with your iPhone seamlessly. And I mean, that is what I'm using. You can see a live here, however, there is a condenser mic which is not visible on the screen. Basically, I am recording this session. This simple tutorial has made your life so much easier. If you find this video helpful, give it a heads up. Do check my other videos which are based on productivity and hacks. Until next time, be productive and let AI do the work.